Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the MACD leader indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the MACD leader indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 25 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We've also tested a total of 387 indicators with a total of 157 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 157 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the MACD leader indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Pretty simple setup on this, not a whole lot to it. So we have a 0 line, and then we have the oscillating line here. And basically when the oscillating line breaks up above the 0 line, then we are going to go long. When it breaks down below the 0 line, we are going to go short. So like I said, pretty simple. We've tested ones like this many times before. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing here. Pick up the first signal right there. It's going to be a short signal there, short trade. And it gets us to take profit. Going forward here, we then get a long right there. That one also looks like it gets us to take profit. Let's just double check there. Yes, it did. So far, we're doing pretty decent. Not too bad at all. There is a short right there. Let's double check to the upside here. Actually, let's double check down first. Yep, got us to take profit. So another winning trade there. Play it forward here some more. Looks like we may have barely breached up over right there on that one. So if you look at the coordinates over here, you can see that when the line is under the 0, it's negative numbers, and when it's above, they are positive numbers. So if we look over here, you can see that we're negative there, and on that bar right there, we pick up a long signal for just a moment, right as price action moves to the downside, and then we pick up a short signal there for a moment. It doesn't quite, nope, does not get us to take profits, but then comes up over here on this side there, and it looks like that one barely gets us to take profit there on that long. Let's go ahead and continue forward. It's not giving a whole lot of signals in 1 year's time, but it seems to be giving pretty accurate signals when it does. Short right there, and that one also got us to take profit. A long right there, once again getting us to take profit. Over here we pick up a short, that one right there, that one's gonna get stopped out as price action rolls under there and takes back off to the upside. Right there is there on that one. Actually, it's going to be the long signal here on this side. Looks like that one gets us to take profit. Let's just double check. Yep, it did indeed. Moving forward a little bit more here. There we go. That is a short trade right there, short signal, and profit once again. See if we can get one more before the end of the year. Nope, we sure didn't. All right, before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up for the Patreon, it will give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading indicators, trading strategies, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform. So if you use the MT platform quite a bit rather than Tradingview, then that would be a really handy list for you to have. Our members and admins are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of areas of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering and exiting trades and taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And lastly, a new thing that I've been doing here recently is I put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and so it shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, with their win rates, as well as links to go back and view those individual strategies. And so you'll get that full list, as well as the full list of indicators that we've tested, which has their win rates, as well as which ones were winners and which ones were losers. So a lot of wonderful information, a lot of wonderful benefits to becoming a patron and help support the channel. It is really great stuff. Highly recommend it. All right, back to the indicator here. Let's add these up and see what we can get. There. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 winning trades. And so that one is going to meet the 60% criteria. Did really decent, not a bad indicator at all. I like this one. It seemed to, I wish it gave more signals, but it seemed that the signals that it did give were nice, solid, good signals. And so this one is definitely going to go on the yes list. And then we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.